How to dispute a McAfee charge on a bank statement. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply contact your McAfee support. For that, what you can actually do is simply get into McAfee.com. Then you can tap on the menu bar on the top right corner. Then from here, you can simply tap on support, and you can simply tap on customer support, or you can tap on contact us and directly contact them too, right? So after doing that, you can now simply request a refund within 30 days of auto renewal charge. Then you can actually turn off your auto renewal in your McAfee account. You'll need to navigate to auto renewal settings and toggle that off too, right? So after doing that here, now what you can actually do is, if McAfee refuses or charge on the charge on account that you don't actually own, then you can actually call the phone number listed on the bank statement line item, and then from there you can initiate your bank chargeback. You can contact the card provider, mark the transaction as unauthorized /billing error, and provide your cancellation or refund or request record. I'm pretty sure that way you'll be able to get your refund back.